Storage performance Roundup, mechanical disk drives to PCIe 4.0 SSDs and everything in between. Computer storage has come a long way since our last Roundup. We have new PCIe 4.0 SSDs, NVMe drives are becoming the de facto standard for new machines, and prices for legacy drives have plummeted. Rather than just focusing on high-end drives, this time we decided to take a step back and explore the entire storage market from top to bottom. For someone piecing together their next build, the choices can be overwhelming. Do you go with the latest and greatest SSDs, a mid-tier value offering, or a dirt-cheap SATA drive? There are also many different market segments between these areas, making it hard to tell if spending a few extra dollars will get you much extra performance. Finally, how has the performance of mechanical hard drives stood up in the world of SSDs? We'll answer all of these today, so let's dive in. On the table below you'll see all the drives we have today, and we'll briefly go on why they were selected. This review isn't so much to show which drive in a particular category is best, but rather, to show how different types and tiers of drives stack up in common applications. Drive capacity as tested. Max read MB/S. Max write MB/S. Category price $/GB. Corsair MP600 1 TB 4950 4250. NVMe Gen 4.0 $185 $0.185. Intel Optane 900p 280 GB 2500 2000. NVMe Gen 3.0 $370 $1.32. Samsung 970 Pro 1 TB 3500 2700. NVMe Gen 3.0 $300 30 Samsung 970 Evo Plus 1 TB 3500 3300. NVMe Gen 3.0 $200 20 Samsung 860 Evo 500 GB 550 520. SATA M.2 $95 19. Crucial MX 500 1 TB 560 510. SATA $108 $0.108. Seagate Iron Wolf 8 TB 210 210. SATA 7200 RPM $220 $0.027. WD Red 4 TB 150 150. SATA 5400 RPM $117 $0.029. Seagate FireCuda 2 TB 156 140. SATA 5400 RPM $100 5 cents. Starting at the bottom, we have three traditional mechanical HDDs. They are big both physically and in terms of internal storage capacity. They are cheap, compatible with nearly every system, and have been in use for decades. Most HDDs come in either 7200 RPM or 5400 RPM models. 10K RPM models are also available, but rarer, with the former being more expensive but faster. The WD Red and Seagate FireCuda drives are 5400 RPM drives, while the Seagate Iron Wolf is a larger 7200 RPM drive. Comparing the WD Red and Seagate Iron Wolf, the 7200 RPM model costs less per gigabyte, but that's just because we have a drive that is larger. For equal-sized drives, the 7200 RPM models will almost always be slightly more expensive. The third mechanical drive, the Seagate FireCuda, is a hybrid drive. It uses for more on this story, visit the news article link.